Hell's Gate. They got it back over on its wheels, tried to start it, of course, fried the starter. So we're gonna go in there and grab it, dead pull it up out of there, and then pull it all the way to the trailhead. Got Shawn with me today. It's a Saturday, so I asked him to come in because these are a little technical to get up out of Hell's Gate. It's definitely a workout. So we've done it enough though. We got a pretty good plan, so we're gonna jump in there and just it's gonna go so smooth.
We got it plenty of times. It's
so
fine.
smooth, like not even a thing.
Hubs are not.
Usually go that way.
Yeah, hubs are not locked in yet.
Been a while since we've been out here.
Long time.
God, what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know what to do.
I think we're almost there.
I'm new, I don't know what to do.
They said, never mind, we're not going down.
They need to because they're in the super wrong line. Oh, they already tried to pull it.
Yeah.
That's why they called us.
They already tried.
Yeah.
Because it's literally lined up right there. Okay, all right. Let me lock in some hooves because we'll need that. Some hips. Maybe. I remember my first
Well,
Jeep.
you gotta be some.
Oh yeah, they pulled some plugs for sure.
So we've got our 100-foot winch extension, our 30-foot strap going to my rear winch line. So that'll get us to the top so we can pull. And then I can run the winch out a little bit if I need to go up, or as I get to the top and start pulling them up. I'm gonna try to do this in one pull. And as soon as I top out, I'm gonna cut this way, but it should be where you just follow the track.
Follow it up.
Yeah. that way and roll back. No, no, back that way. Okay, right there. You want to come this way just about 6 inches. Right there. Up to the flat up here. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be, but that's the way it is.
The way it's gonna be.
Alrighty. So yeah, we got Shawn back there. We got Shawn back there, and I know everybody's wondering why are we carrying the rig out when all the wheels are attached and everything. You just pull it out with a strap. You can pull it out with a strap. The problem is out here in the rocks and stuff, hitting the tires with no power steering is really bad on the equipment. It's hard on your hands. I mean, it'll rip a wheel out of your hands really quick. So it's just easier to pick it up. Plus, the added weight of picking it up puts traction on the truck and makes the truck pull better for some of these steep climbs and everything. We pulled it before without weight on it, and it's kind of a pain. You pick it up and put a little bit of weight on there, and you can actually adjust by picking it up or setting it down. You can adjust how much traction you put on the back wheels to make it pull harder or not. And yeah, it just works really well for this situation. So that's what we do. There. So yeah, we're back at the shop.
Yeah.
We forgot to film and do an outro. So we're standing here next to Trailmater and we're just gonna be like, hey,
Yeah.
thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.